Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to open Tandem Bank Savings Account online. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for Tandem Bank. Then we're going to click on the first link. As you can see, this is their official website. So next we're going to click on Save, then Savings Account. Then it's going to present you with all the savings account. So you guys, depending on your preference, you could select one of this. So after we selected one of those, we will click on Start Saving Today. But since you can't log in from here, you guys need to download the app from the App Store or from the Play Store. So once we download the Tandem app, we're going to open it. So here we're going to click on First Time User, Enroll Now, since it's our first time opening the account. So now we're going to write our social security number as well as our account number, then our email and our phone number. So once we write those, we're going to click on Next. Then it's going to create the account for us with some verifications added. So this is how you create the account. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I would see you again. Goodbye.